Hello mga kawamat! Sa video lesson na ito, i-discuss natin how to rewrite exponential equation in logarithmic form and rewrite the logarithmic equation in exponential form and evaluate logarithms. What is logarithm, by the way? So it is from the word logos, that means proportion, ratio, or a word. And also from the word arithmos, that means number. And that is, if we are going to combine the two words, that makes a ratio number. It is introduced by John Napier, a Scottish mathematician. It is the exponent or power to which a base must be raised to yield a given number. So let a, b, and c be positive real numbers such that b is not equal to 1. The logarithm of a with base b is denoted by log a with base b and is defined as c is equal to log a with base b if and only if a is equal to b raised to c. So some reminders, in both the logarithmic and exponential form, b is the base. In the exponential form, c is an exponent. This implies that the logarithm is actually an exponent. Hence, logarithmic and exponential function are inverses. In the logarithmic form, log x with base b, x cannot be negative. The value of logarithm x with base b can be negative. Okay, we have, may tinatawag tayong common logarithm. So, ano yung common logarithms? Common logarithms are logarithms with base 10. So, kapag nakita natin to, logarithm x or log x, ibig sabihin yung base niyan ay 10. Hindi nyo lang nakikita it because it's a short notation for log x with base 10. Natural logarithms kapag ang base naman natin ay letter E. So, in other words, so we can write it ln x or the natural numbers x is another way of writing log x with base E. Kapag E yung base natin, so we can write in this way. So, ln x or the natural log of x. So, write exponential equation in logarithmic form. So, for example, we have 2 raised to 5 is equal to x. So, how we're going to rewrite it in logarithmic form? So, magiging, so yung x natin, so ito yung exponential equation natin. So, mula dyan, so saan mapupunta yung x? So, nandito na siya. So, magiging, dito na yung pwesto niya. And then, yung exponent natin na 5, so mapupunta siya as logarithm. And yung base natin, same pa rin sila, pares pa rin silang base. Okay? So, pag binasa natin to, that is 2 raised to 5 is equal to x, and this is the logarithm of x with base 2 is equal to 5. Okay, I'll give you more examples. So, 5 cubed is equal to 125. So, rewrite it into a logarithmic form. So, magiging log 125 with base 5 is equal to 3. Another, 7 raised to negative 2 is equal to 149. So, magiging log 1 over 49 with base 7 is equal to negative 2. So, it's alright to have a negative exponent. So, it's alright to have a negative exponent but not a negative base. So, dapat di maging negative yung base natin. Okay, another. 10 squared is equal to 100. So, this is an example of common logarithm since yung base natin ay 10. So, in logarithmic form, ganito na siya. So, log 100 is equal to 2. So, hindi nyo na ilalagay yung base 10. So, automatic, ibig sabihin niyan, that is a common logarithm na ang base nito ay 10. 2/3 raised to 2 is equal to 4 over 9. So, paano natin i-rewrite as logarithmic form? That will become log 4 over 9 with base 2/3 is equal to 2. So, okay lang na magkaroon ng fractional or decimal na base as long as it is positive. Also, we have e squared is equal to x. So this is an example of natural numbers. So ano yung magiging base natin dito? O in short, paano natin sulat into logarithmic form? That will become ln x is equal to 2. So ibig sabihin yung base nito ay letter e. Okay, negative 2 squared is equal to 4. So negative 2 squared is equal to 4 cannot be written in logarithmic form because yung base natin ay negative 2. Write logarithmic equation and in exponential form. So kabaliktaran naman from logarithmic form papunta sa exponential form. So for example, we have logarithm of 64 with base 2 is equal to 6. So maging 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. So yung base natin. And then, yung 64. So tingnan nyo lang. And then yung base natin na 2, mapupunta lang din dito. Okay, kabaliktaran nung kanina. So the logarithm of 64 with base 2 is equal to 6. So pag nilipat natin, that will become 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. Okay, for example, log m is equal to n. So log m is equal to n. So ito ay halimbawa ng common logarithm. So yung base natin dito ay 10. So magiging 10 raised to n is equal to m. Next is log 81 with base 3 is equal to 4. So magiging 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81. So ito yan. 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81. Next, logarithm of 5 with base square root of 5 is equal to 2. So magiging square root of 5 squared is equal to 5. So pag ganito and then pag ganyan. Next, ln 8 is equal to a. So this is a natural logarithm. So ang base natin dito ay letter e. So magiging a raised to a is equal to 8. Okay. Next is how we're going to evaluate the following logarithms. For example, log 27 with base 3. So paano natin sasagutan yan? Without using calculator. So let x is equal to logarithm of 27 with base 3. So and then after that, we rewrite into exponential form. So sulat natin into exponential form. So this is 3 raised to x is equal to 27. So that is 3 raised to x is equal to 3 cube. Bakit? Kailangan maging pareho yung base natin para makuha natin yung exponent natin at ma-equate natin yung exponent natin. So, since pares na yung base natin, bakit 3 cube? Okay, 3 cube is equal to 27 because 3 times 3, 9 times 3, that is 27. So, therefore, x is equal to 3. Kapag parehas na ulit yung base, alahanan natin yung lesson natin in the previous video lessons about exponential equation. So, kailangan same yung base para makakuha natin tong exponent natin. So, therefore, logarithm of 27 with base 3 is equal to 3. Next, logarithm of 625 with base 5 is equal to, let x first is equal to logarithm of 625 with base 5 and then gawin natin exponential form. So 5 raised to x is equal to 625. Of course, kailangan same yung base nila and that is 5 raised to x is equal to 5 raised to 4. Kasi pag minultiply natin ng apat na beses yung 5 itself, so that is 625. So, therefore, x is equal to 4 and log 625 with base 5 is equal to 4. Okay, how about in this example? So, log 5 square root of 5 with base 5. So, paano gagawin ulit? Let x is equal to log 5 square root of 5 with base 5 and then write into exponential form. So, 5 raised to x is equal to 5 square root of 5. After this, so kailangan same yung base nito. Anong gagawin natin sa square root of 5? So, square root of 5, we can rewrite it as 5 raised to 1 half. Okay, so since same na yung base natin, so anong gagawin natin dito sa right side? So, kunin natin x is equal to, kapag same naman yung base. So, anong ginagawa natin sa exponent? Lalo na kapag multiply, ina-add natin. So, 1. So, may 1 yan. Plus 1 half. So, x is equal to 1 plus 1 half. And 1 plus 1 half, that is 3 over 2. Bakit? 2 times 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3 over 2. Therefore, log 5, square root of 5 with base 5 is equal to 3 over 2. Next, log 0.01. So this is a common logarithm. So let x is equal to log 0.01. So since common logarithm to, so ang gagawin natin, this is 10 raised to x is equal to 0.01. Okay, saan galing yung 10? Again, this is a common logarithm. So ang common logarithm, ang base niya ay 10. So, paano natin gagawing base, ang 0.01, ang base niya ay 10. So, we can express 0.01 as 10 raised to negative 2. So, 10 raised to x is equal to 10 raised to negative 2, and that is x is equal to negative 2. Therefore, log 0.01 is equal to negative 2. Okay, quiz time. So, you can pause the video and answer the 10 items. And after that, so you can check your answer. So, pwede nyo i-post yung video na to and try to practice it by yourself. Okay, here's the answer for the 10 item. So, if you got 8 to 10, ibig sabihin, you know already, you understand really how to rewrite exponential form to logarithmic form and vice versa. And also, you can evaluate the logarithms. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo for more video tutorial. This is your guide in learning your math lesson, your Wow Math channel.